Good day everyone, how you doing? I hope you guys doing very well there and welcome back to our channel. It is very happy to see you again into another tutorial video. So this time I'd like to share you the step-by-step how to create a cutout transition effect in CapCut, and also particularly for your gym reels, and if you would like to post it in your favorite social media. So the first step I will do is, of course, open your CapCut application, and here I'm using the CapCut from my smartphone or my Android phone. Then I will start off with the new project here. Then I will go to the library. Then I will choose this black picture as the base to do our work today. Then I will add the overlay to choose the certain picture that contains about the, let's say, the workout or the sport that you like. And I will also remove the watermarks. Then I will also make sure that this ratio is this 6, I'm sorry, 9 and 60, 9 and 16. Then I will click this picture. I will enlarge this picture until it fits or cover the screen. Then I will move it or move this picture into the main track or beside of this black picture. There you go. And after that, I will also duplicate this picture and move it to the overlay. Then I will slide it a little bit until it is parallel with the black picture here. For this particular overlaid picture, I will remove the background, custom removal, and auto remove. It will take you a while to remove the background, and that's the result. And then I will also slightly add a little bit of duration. Then I will start from the first second of this picture. Then I will move this picture a little bit down here. Then I will add the keyframe, slide this picture to the right, I'm sorry, and slightly take this picture up, move again and add the keyframe and move it up again and move it to the left, add the keyframe and put it into the really fit position. Then I will give the effect of zoom in and zoom out at the keyframe and minimize the picture till it fits. There you go. Let's see the prototype. And after that, I will also add the effect of this picture. Add the graph. Is in. Then so does the graph here. Is in. And so does, I'm sorry, the last. And the last keyframe here. And let's see the result. Then for this last picture or the second clip, you can add the effect such as the swing top left, or this rotating swing is interesting. Or you can choose this hop down swing, or simply this swing. I think it's the rebound swing is better. And also I will add the body effect. I will add the effect that give you the atmosphere of energy. It's like, let's say, the flame or fire. Let's say I will choose this effect. Cancel. And let's see the result, guys. That's all, guys. Please don't forget to try it by yourself into your device, and please let us know if this tutorial also worked for you. That's all, guys. I hope this video finds you helpful. Don't forget to give it a like and subscribe this channel. I'll see you in another video, and thank you for watching. Bye, guys.